Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You act fast. Stop using the phone or camera to avoid overwriting data. Once done, enable airplane mode and turn off wireless radios to prevent background writes. Open the Photos app and check recently deleted or trash. Sometimes recovery is a one-tap restore. If nothing is there, make a read-only image of the storage if possible. This preserves evidence and prevents further loss. Use a USB connection to a computer rather than copying on the device itself. You should create a full disk image of the device storage before running recovery. Imaging prevents accidental overwrites and lets you retry. Once you have an image, use trusted recovery tools, desktop apps supporting file carving and file system awareness, to scan that image. Make sure to configure a deep scan and specify common photo formats like JPEG, HEIC, PNG. If the tool lists recoverable files, preview them and export to a separate drive. This approach maximizes your chance to get intact photos back. You now export recovered images to an external drive and verify integrity. Do not save back to the original device. If files open with errors, run dedicated photo repair utilities that reconstruct headers and fix corruption. Once satisfied, back up to cloud and local storage immediately to prevent repeat loss. If recovery yields nothing or hardware errors appear, stop further attempts and consult a professional data recovery service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.